All right, and big breaking news coming in here on India Today. MS Dhoni, former captain of the Indian cricket team, retires from international cricket. You've heard it correct. MS Dhoni finally announcing official retirement from international cricket. Remember, he last played in 2019 World Cup semi-final. Since then, he has been a low profile, but now it is on social media that MS Dhoni announcing cricket. That's the big breaking news. The top of this hour, we'll continue to get you all the latest. And remember, there have been in the past constant speculation if MS Dhoni is going to be back in the team. However, just to read for you about the former Indian skipper, two-time World Cup winner announcing his retirement just a short while ago on the Independence Day on 15th August. And he says, and I quote here, "Thanks a lot for your love and support throughout. And from 1929 hours, that is 7:30 p.m., consider me as retired." So very brief, very short, MS Dhoni's post reads of the formal announcement. Remember, it's not exactly clear from the post of which format of the cricket that he would be retiring from. There was speculation of IPL 2020. But as of now, he has retired, and Boria Majumdar are, of course, for all the expertise with regard to this. Boria, finally, after so much speculation, Dhoni announcing on August 15th that thank you for your love, consider me retired from 7:30 p.m. What do you make of it? How big is this?
See, it's massive, but firstly, let me corroborate what he said. I actually have spoken. I think we can break this on India Today and the network.
Yes.
That I instantly spoke to Team Dhoni, his manager, and I said, Mahi has posted this at 7:29, and I asked him at 7:36. And he said, Dada, I'm in a webinar. I said, forget the webinar. Mahi has posted this at 7:29.
Yes.
What is the reality? And he says, if he's posted it, you should take it as true, and he has. So there is corroboration from Team Dhoni and his managerial team that, yes, and it's a direct corroboration to India Today, that yes, this is a true post. Mahi has indeed retired from international cricket. He has retired from international cricket. Let's be clear about it. He will still play IPL. But he has retired from all forms of international cricket. He had already retired from test matches earlier. He had retired from one days and T20 format now. I think you can attribute this to COVID. Had Mahendra Singh Dhoni played IPL in April, the window to play the World Cup in October would have opened up for MS Dhoni.
Correct.
COVID consumed the MS Dhoni career is what I would say. Because today he knows that there is no T20 before 1 year. So another year and a half, he will become 40 and a half. To survive international cricket till 40 and a half is almost impossible. So this decision has been prompted by the stoppage of international sport because of COVID. Let me also put this on record on India Today. I had a chance of meeting MS Dhoni, perhaps the only meeting with a journalist in recent times, some months back, and I had pushed him, will you retire, will you play? And at that point in time, he had said, I will start practice from January.
Correct.
I will play the IPL, and I'm putting all of this on record. It was at a Delhi hotel over lunch. And he said, I will practice from January, play the IPL, take a call. There was no cricket from March. All sport came to a standstill because of COVID, as a result of which all of MS Dhoni's plans went out of the window. Today,
yes.
Today, when he knows that he can play IPL, but he knows that, excuse me, there's no international cricket left in front of him. So there is no more motivation. So unfortunately, that's the ground reality for every MS Dhoni fan. Captain fantastic, captain legendary, captain cool, perhaps the greatest captain in the white ball format. But the international career has come to an end.
I'm also now joined by a consulting editor, Rajdeep Sardesai. Rajdeep, known for a surprise retirement. Previously as well, he held a press conference after a match a few years ago. Then immediately after that, the message was circulated, he's retiring from Test. And now here, retiring from international cricket. What do you make of this statement? Why do you think this has come so suddenly, or was it in the making, clearly?